I'm going to look plant to put in that pot. I can't catch me just nervous, me and dying to see him come up. Show him little body, him feel like he can't roll away. That one nice plant though. I had it here, you know, but it washed and go down there. And the rain now. And the jaguar, what cocoa you dig? With your hand? The barrel on that side there, so we have all barrel on that side there so I catch water. As to the house stop it, so we have to go set up now. Don't be scared, man. I'm scared of height, but me I feel learn, you know. I'm very scared of like up here and looking down there. I used to be, but me I learn. Watch that I come up from down the gully by your roll away. Jesus have mercy. Come up! Come up. I'm not afraid of heights no more. Kind of some sort of way me I learn. When you have to learn, you have to learn. So, I'm not look around this, so bush around this, I fix up. The lawn is my setup, my set it so. Around there, so when I'm a jerk pan up here, and all of that, I set up the things so nice, man. I don't come in. The things so nice. Everything so curry. Yeah. So, you see all bees round me round here. Bees. Yeah. Yeah, bees. So look here. What would they plant them mean? They not seed round here, so.
You mean?
No seed round here, so catch up nice. But see one right here, so. So we have to go set it back. You see it? Alright, but alright. Alright. Feed me a feeder is a little stray cat. And it looks so hungry. I don't have nothing to eat. I don't live here. Alan don't live here anymore, so I don't know if it's his cat. It look like in take with Scooby and Fear and Pitney them. I don't know whose cat is this. Because Scooby never did have no. I don't know if I want a Scooby baby them. I don't know. Paris, he plant them where dad go down the gully go get. A plant here. Nice plant. So I have a big pot around there. We're not never going there. So I get, so we'll get some dirt to put in my pot. Plant them and then wash off the leaf them. Yeah. Yeah, Paris. So the time kind of just subtle and quiet and so. Yeah, watch ya. Peas, water, peas, so start cook. I'm going to make more sugar look and coconut for me. Yeah. It doesn't matter, even though you see, everything not refined, but I'm loving it. I just feel, I don't care, I just feel like I just live here so right now, even though everything not half reach right for reach, but I just feel, I'm just feeling, you can listen around, the place is so quiet. Yeah, the older me get me like the quietness and the peace. So vehicle pass the road there. Yeah. Yeah! So that is what is happening. And all the while we are going to have it. Come and feel one way for the little kitty cat.
No want no more.
Oh, you want to put them in. But make them go weird though.
Good morning.
Yes, Alan.
Alan Magnus.
Go on. You're good? Oh, you're in the rain? Yeah. You can't go to the whole planting now, man. You get good rain. Lift up that. No, that not gone down, Dad.
Yeah, man.
Uncle Murphy, come there. Uncle Murphy, take out the dirt.
You want no more in there?
No, that's what I tell you, so make him put it further down.
No, that good.
Alright. No, me I say you get good weather now, man. You can't go plant field. Oh, like the one that will come through quick. Yeah. You know, see all of them in the gully, they tear away. And the water back up on the mosquito them. Pretty though. Water back up and it now run on the mosquito them, that no. Eh? Why? We are watch it if it not suck out, have to deal with it. Car.
The dirt have to move, man, because if it even fall again, it will go cycle back the same way.
And they say one day that big sinting will come back again this weekend. So.
Eh?
One more piece.
One next time. That not go catch. Put it still not there?
This not go catch.
still put him. We could put in a water. Oh, he's so miserable.
Okay. See the whole of the
Alright.
start this.
Why, Parry, look at my peas. Me I sink my peas. Ooh. Yeah, I don't even know what kind of peas. And the red peas, but you can't cook rice. Yep. Yeah, me I take it easy, but me hungry. Yeah. Now look coconut now. I am here, I'm just going around giving thanks for life. Me just hear say somebody is not the district drop out again. I have a lot of funerals up here. Thanks where you are, give thanks to life, make the best of it. You know, be nice to people. Yeah. And everybody can be nice, right? Some people, when you be nice to them, it's to me, I think they can't really attain to it, you know. Them can't really handle it. But on a whole, let us try to be nice to each other, Parry, because look here, them days they are not normal days here, not normal days, you know. Parry, just sorry to me just get for I got look about coconut. But me I make a mac and cheese, the camera girl. Right here, so. And I'm eating dry coconut. Country girl daddy. I'm eating a piece of the really bad dry, bone dry coconut. So I'm gonna get the coconut blend out now and then let me see what I'm going to do. So I can't even go out here so because I'm not supposed to wear this out here, so you know. So I have to carry the pot come right here, so Parry, because the rain started coming down. Yeah. Wow. So at this point now, yeah, the peas, you know, the peas can't take the coconut milk and go on. I hold the peas in one pot of rice and peas may I cook and make them have some to eat next time. Before I start, where see it, Parry? How much feet down show down? 18 feet down. At this 18 inches here about feet down. We got buck up and duckans down in our ground, yeah, so down in there. But see plumber there, plumber pump it up for them so we can't see us, so I pump for sort them out. 18 inches down. Them down there. Termite, that's what them behave. Parry, I know food not finished. See that right there, so we'll have to like the rain did I go start. If I carry the cold stove come right there. So I'm sit down right there, so I'm tired. I just all put in the rice. I never know if I stay for eat now. But it come all for deal with my foot, put soap my foot them or something, but I have to up and down to and from. Not all the footage I show still. Down under the gully if I have to make plans with my workman for 45 behind the gully. Because the rain, and you know if the rain constant and them something and St. Maryland them a soft land, you know, so make sure you say yeah, you know, yeah, cause the rain, this rain I make people think different Parry, so I'm tired. We down below the bottom, up to and from. I mean, I'm a workman, I work out things, how we are going to do things. I'm tired, so I'm there, so sit down. I take a sleep right now. I'm sit down right here, son, that there right now, so. I'm tired, my yarn. I'm so tired. So, what is happening right here? So no, I don't know, so I'm gonna show everything. Yes, so what is happening right here? Right here was like board where they had all the building adjoined. So you can look here and see outside. So right in the front there that you're looking, you might not understand. When you see right here again, it will be an extended part of this room. So you're going to see the part where you see on the outside there with the window cut out. So this is what they are working on now. So this room, basically this room is being extended. So behind this board, there is the concrete, a new piece of concrete with the extension. So we have a go to L room in here. So when we finish that, we're going to go back around now. I know some people to all the camera, we put the camera sometimes, you might not understand, but still I give a little heads up and walk on. So what I need to do when I leave here now, before I leave here, we need to move these and to get them from this area. Because pure flashing and all them something as cement and them something there. And house topper go and put on and then they so we have to move them go one different something. So the rough work continues and all of that, yeah, and sun come back out. I'm just feeling so tired, so sleepy, but you know what happened? I'm thankful and I'm grateful, and you know, God carry me, make me go on, yeah, me go on, I'm going on. I'm really going on, thank the Lord Jesus. I didn't even know I would still be going on, you know, but I'm going on. And thanks for the love from you all, thanks for the support. Thanks for those of you who are reaching out to me beyond YouTube and say, baby, where you do per country, where you want, you know, I want a little help. But I'm letting you know there are parties right here on the Jamaican David stream. Them just get into me on a different level and say, Debbie, what is happening in St. Mary? What happened? Do this, do that. And when they reach out to me, I'm going to answer them back in time. They reach out and say, Debbie, what go on? I know the struggle because I know Jamaica hard. So I want to say a big thank you. You all know yourselves. Keep asking me, Debbie, what happened? What want in the country? What you want? I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. You want me to do this? Thanks for loving. Thanks for supporting. And all of that. So as we go along, as I tell you, I won't put everything, but I'll put to, you know, what me reasonably feel if I put. So when you're at a point we will just unleash everything, because we're getting there, you know. It's gonna take us a little time. You have to creep before you walk, wally teething pains and all of that, but that's how it go. Me and all I learned to come in at even know say building is a timely thing. So that is what is happening. You can't hear, so then they to that side right there. So I am here, and it inside here is still a messy there. We have to move over those up here concrete, and so we're going to clean them off and move them over to that side so them can get to finish up that side. We're here, thank God for a little sunshine. I'll catch you in the next good part. Come. Yeah, Scooby this. Come, Scooby, come. A long time I not see her. Come. Where you did there? Where you did there, Scooby? Eat. Go so.
Hungry.
Scooby, eat, Scooby.
Hungry.
Come. Come, Scooby. Come, girl. You know me not doing nothing. Come. Come, Scooby. You look like you pregnant again, you know. Come now. If me move, the rooster go eat it. So come eat. Come, Scooby. Come now. This is your wily. Come. She pregnant again, you know. Come. I say you just walk and have the picnic then. Come go eat. Go. Scooby, you're pregnant. So Parry, me I just fry up the little one onion and I go do mackerel with the rice and peas. That's a long time I don't come up here, so I don't know where they're from, whether they are. Nothing in the fridge, so that's how it go. So rice and peas are almost ready, so I see 2 onions, so I can't use all the other 2 because the workman them have to cook. And then look at something. So I fry up that one here. I get the mackerel and come now. And just start dealing with it. Yeah, stretch the ketchup. The mackerel gravy. Parry. We are Jamaican, you know, we are country people, so we know how to turn with hand. I have like a black pepper and like a vinegar, so I make it stay there and take time, you know. Get the thing together. Yep. Alright now, Parry. Rice and peas ready, you know, man. Cold stove rice and peas, this is the sweetest one. See me use a piece of zinc. Comment if you remember that. To make the rice and peas not burn. When the rice start dry. So them Uncle Murphy. Uncle Murphy, help me, man. Uncle Murphy, I carrying cement for me.
I'm coming in.
I'm coming in, yeah. Uncle Murphy, help me. God, I send good people for help me, man. So Parry, food ready. Rice and peas. Sent me rice and peas. Yep. The mackerel. Uncle Murphy had me put in the cement then. Next plate. Parry, me I eat out a basin. Me I eat my tired. I don't even want to eat no wallet, me tired. I soon have to come going now. I watch the time, cause time change now as soon as it reach 2, 3 o'clock in the evening, it get dark in the evening. So Uncle food just ready. Like past 2 p.m. now, so at the right time that so them can have rice and something for them dinner. You know, when we gone. Oh. I'm going to feed my face. I'm going to spoon my next clip. Right, fat. Parry me finish eating and I go done. Yeah, I go today. The breeze is blowing on the outside. You know, it's middle of November. It's in a Friday you guys say fall. That fall, how me feeling, I start to feel it. And you know, say up here not ready for me live yet or something. Some of us, you know, I just start feel comfy and cozy with this cool weather, you know, away from the man and on the outside attack. And I've not nobody live close, near up to me like say neighbor for midnight, you know. Yeah, you just feel home, carry me right back to the days them when I was a little girl and it come that time of year. But anyway, I'm going to hit the road and thanks for staying with me, thanks for loving me, thanks, remember I say again, thanks for those of you who reached out and are reaching out to me to say, Debbie, what you want me to do? I want to do something towards St. Mary. What can I do? Thank you. You know yourselves. I will not call your names. So, thank you so much. Thank you for all of those who have been encouraging in the comment section. Say, go Debbie, you're going to do it, girl. I'm proud of you. Thank you all so much. Thank you for those who are watching behind the scenes and not say nothing like that. You know, the sky is the limit. The race is not for the swift nor the strong. It is for those of us that can endure to the end. About sure this attack. So, thank you guys so much. When I see some fine Scooby, she come by today. I get a little more food before my but I don't know because I haven't seen her in a while. I don't know. But I have no control over her. You know, if I come and see her, I feed her and all of that. So, it doesn't matter what we do right on over here. When I say I'm look, I feel sleepy. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things. Stay on the Debbie Deb strain until it reaches the point where you come and when you look, you say, wow, Debbie, I remember watching this in the video. I remember this, I remember that. Thank you all so much.